Hi everyone, is your Spectrum cable box not working? Don't worry, in this video, we will show you quick and easy steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Let's get your TV back up and running. Why Spectrum cable box not working? Power or signal cables might be disconnected or loose. There could be a Spectrum service outage in your area. The cable box may not be receiving a strong enough signal. Temporary software issues can cause the box to become unresponsive. Low batteries or a malfunctioning remote could make it seem like the box isn't working. The box might need a software update. There could be a hardware fault in the cable box. Fix 1. Check power and connections. Loose or damaged cables and power connections are common reasons for the box not working. Verify that the power cord is securely connected to both the box and a working outlet. Make sure the HDMI, coaxial or other cables are firmly connected to both the cable box and your TV. Plug the box into another outlet to confirm the original outlet isn't faulty. Fix 2. Reboot the cable box. A simple reboot can clear out temporary glitches and refresh the system. Disconnect the power cord from the cable box and leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds. Plug the cable box back in and allow it to restart. This can resolve minor software issues. Fix 3. Check for service outages. If there's an outage in your area, the box may not receive a signal, causing it to appear non-functional. Visit Spectrum's outage information page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Click M in outage. They can confirm if there's a known issue affecting service. Fix 4. Perform a soft reset if the box has a reset button. Some models have a reset button that can resolve unresponsive states without a full power cycle. Locate the reset button at the front of the Spectrum box. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds to initiate a soft reset. Allow the box a few minutes to reboot fully. This may clear minor software issues causing the power issue. Alternatively, perform a soft reset via the Spectrum app. A reset through the app can resolve connection or signal issues without requiring physical access to the box. Especially useful if the box seems frozen or unresponsive. Log in and navigate to services. Then go to TV, choose experiencing issues. Select this option and follow the prompts to reset the cable box. This may help resolve startup issues caused by a software. Fix 5. Try after some time. Spectrum cable boxes are designed to receive firmware updates automatically during off-peak hours. Updates usually take a few minutes but may take up to 15 to 20 minutes. If it doesn't return to normal, try restarting the box. Look for updating or downloading message on the screen when an update is in progress. Check the display panel for a progress bar or status indicator on the front of the box. The TV screen may go blank or freeze temporarily using an update. Error codes like DUI, E8 or DMI may appear if there is an issue during the update. Some boxes have blinking lights, example, power or online, that flash when updating. Fix 6. Check remote control functionality. If the remote isn't working, it may seem like the box is unresponsive, though the box itself is fine. Try turning on the box manually. To rule out remote issue, a remote malfunction could make it seem like the box won't turn on. If the box powers on manually, weak batteries in the remote could be the issue. Fresh batteries may restore functionality. Fix 7. Contact Spectrum support. Persistent issues may indicate a hardware fault which would require professional assistance or a replacement box. Reach out to Spectrum customer support for help. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it, as they can perform remote diagnostics and help troubleshoot service-related issues. If needed, request a technician visit for further on-site investigation to resolve any hardware or connectivity problems. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.